feeling so hollow. Don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in.
Drink, think deeply as I sink. Finally, someplace I found peace in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. Chasing whatever kills. For so long I forgot how it feels in the dark of night. Tabletops counting hours in the early hours. Stone cold inside, banging drops, dancers, never needing answers. We wander all alone, but we can't find the street lights go. We wander all alone, but we can't deny we are the street light people. The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason. But I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Seasons turn and change just like your mind. like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall you came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Each time of year carries memories, like a never fading whisper in the breeze. Oh, we will keep on changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season. Don't want another day without you by my side. Oh, this season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. Just like another season.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns. You don't wanna leave. I'm not one to keep unknown enemies out of our fortress with paper ground. Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hope you all enjoyed that time-lapse footage. Today I'm here to bring you guys Project Fortnite. This is a tactical shotgun from the Fortnite game, and of course I have created my own little variation to it, and obviously I needed to make a few minor adjustments here and there so that I could fit the PC within. This whole custom PC case is made out of MDF wood, 6mm for the majority of it, and just little bits of pipe and stuff here and there to create different details. Of course, I did go over the whole case with some airbrushing to try and create some shadow and a bit of grittiness to the actual theme. Of course, Fortnite is not known to be a clean game, so when we did the painting, we opted to use a paintbrush. It creates all of these paintbrush strokes and everything all over the build, and we also get a bit of grittiness to it, which is known for the Fortnite game. This system is powered by the Intel i5 8600K CPU on the Gigabyte H370 and Wi-Fi Mini ITX motherboard. Powering all the graphics, we do have the Gigabyte GTX 1060. This is the mini version, so it fits nicely at the end there within the build. If we did go for an ATX size, then of course the gun would have to be bigger to accommodate for all of that hardware. We do have one 240mm radiator from Cooler Master, cooling all of this system. Cooler Master's new fans as well, which are on here. And remember, guys, I'll leave the links to all of the products in the description below. And for the water block, we do have a Cooler Master water block as well. For the RAM, we do have the Team Group T-Force Delta RGB RAM. There is 16GB in there, plenty for gaming, and of course, everyday tasks. Now, we do have the power button situated up the top there. That is just a momentary vandal switch to turn the PC on and off. Now, the way that I made this is the back half houses all of the components and sort of keeps them all in place, and the top half is actually a shell which is removable, so it's easy to get to all the components if we do need to swap something out. Now, I made draining this system very, very simple. This part here is just screwed on, so all I have to do is remove that, then I have full access to the reservoir, which I can then take all of the liquid out. It's good as well because the reservoir is at the lowest point of the system. Now, this little wooden box here obviously has a sign on there, Designs by FR, that is me and Fortnite, of course. But this little wooden box is basically just a stand to hold the gun up. We did want it on a bit of an angle, and we did need something to hold it in place, otherwise it wouldn't stay upright. I really did enjoy building this. It took about a month to build all up in amongst a full-time job, so I'm very happy with the end result. It was a bit of a rush at the end, but we did finally get it done, and I'm very happy with the end result. Guys, if you did enjoy this, remember we have lots of custom PCs on the channel just like this one, so consider hitting that subscribe button, liking the video, and sharing it with some friends. And I definitely want you guys to leave comments down below. Remember, I always read comments, so you never know, you might get a reply. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one.